Okay, today we'll do exercise 6.1. Question number 1. What will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers? You have given 10 numbers and your 10 or numbers ko चाहिँ you are asked to find the unit digit of the squares. यो नम्बरलाई स्क्वायर गर्दा चाहिँ unit digit कति हुन्छ that you are asked to find. Now here I'll do 3 questions I'll do for you and rest you have to do it yourself. First look at question number 1. And in 1 ko 1 ma we have number is 81. 81 दिएको छ. Now here we are asked to find the unit digit of the square of 81. अब 81 लाई स्क्वायर गर्दा unit digit कति आउँछ? Unit means ones place digit. Isn't it? We know this. Now for this, no need to calculate the whole. Square निकाल्नु पर्दैन. Just look at here ones and tens. That means here it is 2 digit. Ones place digit and tens place digit. Just look at here. Ones place digit is 1. 1 को मात्रै you'll find the square of ones place digit. So we know in order to find the square, same numbers we have to multiply 2 times. So here the ones place digit is 1. So multiply with 1 only. 1 into 1 equals to 1. So the unit digit of the square of 81 equals to 1. This is the easiest method. Clear? Now next I'll do question number 8. Clear? Just look at question number 8. We have question 998800. Clear? Here we have 5 digit number. First write down the place value. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Like this. Okay, now from here identify the ones place digit. Here it is 0. In order to find the square of 0, 0 लाई 0 ले नै multiply गर्नु पर्यो. 0 into 0 will be 0. Therefore the unit digit place of square of 99880 will be 0. This is the simplest method. No need to find the square of whole numbers. Only we have to find the square of unit place digit. Clear? Now, अब अर्को छ I'll do that is the different types of question. Question number 1 kai 10. 55555. That means 5 digit number. Now here also the same thing. Write down the place value. That means ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. Now identify the ones digit is 5. अब यसको square find गर्नुलाई multiply with the same number. 5 into 5 equals to 25. अब just look at here. माथिको दुईटा question को त answer को के थियो? Single digit थियो. We can easily write down the ones place digit. Isn't it? Now here we got the 2 digit number. Here also write down the place value. That is ones and tens. Now unit place digit of the square of 5555 equals to ones place मा कति आयो? 5. That means 5 is the unit digit. Clear? That means दुईटा number छ भने खाली ones place को मात्रै you have to write down. This is question number 10. Now rest question number similar questions you have. Do it yourself. Clear? Now for question number 2. A question number 2 के हेर त the following numbers are obviously not perfect square. Give reason भन्दैछ. अब यो म I'll let you understand, do it yourself. किन हैन भन्दा चाहिँ just check the last digit. Number 1 मा 7, number 2 मा 3, number 3 मा 8, number 4 मा 2, number 5 मा 0, number 6 मा 2, number 7 मा 0, number 8 मा 0 छ. अनि लास्ट डिजिट नम्बर योबाट एन्ड हुने नम्बर चाहिँ कहिले पनि पर्फेक्ट स्क्वायर हुँदैन. ड्यू टु दिस रिजन यो दिएको नम्बर इज नट अ पर्फेक्ट स्क्वायर. क्लियर? नाउ लुक एट क्वेशन नम्बर 3. 3 को पनि जस्ट लुक एट क्वेशन नम्बर 1. 1 मा कति छ? 431 एन्ड द क्वेशन मा के निकाल्नु भन्दैछ? The squares of which of the following would be odd numbers? अब यो पनि same way number 1 को जस्तै गर्नु पर्यो. अब यहाँनिर के भन्दैछ? युनिट डिजिट हामीले odd हो कि even हो चाल पाएपछि डल्लै नम्बर पनि odd हो कि even हो, will identify it, isn't it? So here also number 1 को जस्तै process you have to follow. 431 3-digit number, write down the place value, that is ones tens 100. A ones place मा कति छ? Here also 1. Find the square. 1 into 1 equals to 1. That means the square of 431 is odd number. 1 त के हो? odd हो नि. त्यसले गर्दा यो यसको यो 431 को तिमीले स्क्वायर निकाल्दा पनि हामीले के नम्बर पाउँदो रहेछ? odd number. अब likewise number 2 हेर, number 3 कै 2. 28 to 6 you have given. First steps, you have to write down the place value. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So identify the ones place digit we have is 6. Now find the square. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 2 digit आयो, 2 digit आयो भने के गर्नु पर्यो हामीले? Again we have to identify the place value, that is ones and tens. That means ones place मा कति छ? 6. 6 odd हो कि even हो? Even. So you don't do 8 to 6 को square पनि के हुँदो रहेछ? Even number हुँदो रहेछ. Likewise दुईटा questions को do it yourself. Clear? Now just look at question number 4. 4, 5, 6 you do it yourself. अब यो चाहिँ के छ? It's a simple one. This is your IQ test also. Observe the following pattern and find the missing digit. यो pattern तीनटै question मा same छ. Pattern हेर and do it yourself. This is the interesting questions also. Just 4, 5 and 6 do it yourself. Just look at question number 7. 7 हेर. Without adding find the sum. नजोडी यसको sum निकाल्नु भन्दैछ. This is also interesting questions you have. Question number 1 म गर्दिन्छु. Number 2 and 3 do it yourself. This is the interesting question. नजोडी निकाल्नु भन्दैछ. How it is possible? अब यहाँ हेर त को नम्बर 1 मा कति छ? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. अब यो नम्बरलाई अब्जर्भ गर त पहिला. These are all consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers हो हेर है. Consecutive भनेको continuously आउने odd number. 1 को बाद odd number अर्को कुन चाहिँ छ? 3, 3 को बाद 5, 5 को बाद 7, 7 को बाद 9. Okay, na consecutive odd numbers. अब consecutive odd numbers आने मात्रै you have to follow the steps. Clear? Odd even mixed up छ, consecutive छैन भने we can't use the steps. Clear? Now count the digit. कतिवटा digit छ? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 सम्म कतिवटा digit छ? 5. That means 5 को square निकाल्नु पर्यो. कतिखेर मात्र हुन्छ यो स्टेज? When there is consecutive odd numbers. That means 5 को square means 5 ला how many times you have to multiply? 2 times. 5 into 5 equals to 25. That means जोडेन हामीले हैन, डाइरेक्टली यो 5वटा नम्बर जोड्दा कति पाउँदो रहेछ? 25. रफमा तिमी 5वटा जोडिएर you will get 25. यो चाहिँ कतिखेर मात्रै फलो गर्नु पर्यो? When there is consecutive odd numbers. Number 2 and number 3 मा consecutive odd numbers छ. Count the numbers and find the square of that numbers. You'll get the answer. Clear? Now next look at question number 8. Question number 8 मा के भन्दैछ? Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. 49 लाई यो माथिको चाहिँ जो भर्खर हामीले 7 गरे, 7 मा चाहिँ हामीलाई दिएको छ नम्बर्स, त्यसको सम निकाल्नु हुन्छ. त यहाँ चाहिँ नम्बर दिएको छ, कुन चाहिँ नम्बर जोड्दा चाहिँ 49 आउँछ? That you are asked to find. That means 7 odd numbers भने 7 वटा consecutive के जोड्नु पर्यो? Odd numbers, isn't it? So look at here. We have 49. 49 is equal to कतिवटा जोड्नु पर्यो हामीले? 7 वटा. That means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Count it. कतिवटा पाए हामीले? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. यो 7 वटा odd numbers, consecutive odd numbers जोडे भने will get 49. You can check yourself also. Clear? And similarly number 2 also the same thing. 121 आउँछ, कतिवटा odd number जोड्नु भन्दैछ? 11 वटा. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 21. If you add this consecutive 11 odd numbers, will get 121. This way you have to do it. Now next we have question number 9. A question number 9 is also the easy one. How many numbers lies between square of the following numbers? अब यो दिएको नम्बर्सहरुमा एउटा म गर्दिन्छु. नम्बर 2 3 you have to do it yourself. अब नम्बर 1 मा दिएको छ हामीलाई 12 र 13 को स्क्वायर गरे भने यसको बीचमा कतिवटा नम्बर आउँछ भनेर you are asked to find. Now here how to do this one? Before that you have to find out the square of 12 and 13. A 12 ko square means 12 लाई you have to multiply 2 times. That means 12 square is equal to 12 into 12. 12 multiply गर्ने will get 145. Sorry 144. अब next मा कतिको निकाल्नु पर्यो 13 को square. And square of 13 is equal to 13 into 13 equals to 169. And now next steps on what you have to do, you have to subtract square of 13 square and square of 12 square. अब square of 13 square त कति छ 169 minus 144. If you subtract it, you'll get 25. अनि 25 मा अझै तिमीले subtract 1. You'll get 24. So 24 numbers lies between square of 12 and 13. अनि अर्कोको पनि same way you can do it. You can find out 25 को square निकाला 26 को square निकाला. Subtract these two numbers. After getting the numbers, again subtract 1 to the numbers. Then you'll get the answer. Clear? This way you can do question number 2 and question number 3. Now similarly, just look at exercise 6.2 ko question number 1 here. Find the square of the following numbers. This is easy one. You are asked to find the square of following numbers. अब number you have given 6 oda. One मैले एउटा गर्दिने. Next you can do it yourself. Now this is the easiest one. Square means कुनै पनि number को square find गर भनेको छ नि. त्यो दिएकै numberले दुईटै same numberले multiply गर्ने you'll get the square. So here question number 1 you have given 32. A 32 लाई multiply with 32. 32 into 32 equals to, if you multiply you'll get 1024. Your multiplication you have to do it yourself. Clear? In the rough portions you'll do it and try to do all the questions. Clear? That means 32 into 32 you'll get 1024. That means therefore the square of 32 is equal to 1024. This way you have to write down the answer and do question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 yourself. And question number 2 completed. Write a Pythagorean triplets whose one member is 6. This you have done. This completed. Now question number 1 ko do all the questions.